How is this? This is every fucking game. Having a fucking Torb or something like that. It's every single game. It's not one game when you don't get a Torb or a fucking Hanzo or a Mercy. Granted, Mercy isn't as bad as fucking Torb. Monkey behind. Hanzo isn't either as bad, but you know. It's either you win. You have a dive comp. You win every fucking single game till like bastards. You win every fucking game. Or it's like this. It's 50-50. If it was possible to play with proper comp, you would win every game. Literally. But every game it's a fucking Torb, or it's a fucking Hanzo, or it's a fucking Mercy that is like 2k rated Mercy, who is on 3.5k or 3.9k or whatever. We're at like 3.9k MMR now, or something. I DK'd of course, because it's such fucking good system you've implemented with the fucking DKing, so you lose all your rating you gain in a fucking week, if you don't play in a week. And you can't play with friends on this account, because it's too fucking high rated. So I have another account to play with friends, which also gets too high, of course, after a while. It's just so fucking boring to play this game. You like made it impossible to play. Like either you need to make fucking every single hero viable, or you need to make it like a 6v6 DPS game. Honestly. Fuck's sake. It's so fucking bad. Like I don't mind having like not playing the proper, like not playing Tracer, Genji, Diva, Winston in every game. Like I think Orisa and Torb on like a fucking hybrid map or you know payload map or whatever is fine sometimes, but like having to like why is it even an option on King of the Hill when it's clearly not fucking, like in extreme cases it could be viable to play fucking Torb. Like it works now because our team have our enemies have 3 Mercy mains with inflated MMR. Look at this, look at this fucking shit. Everyone is a fucking Mercy main. That's why they're this high. If they weren't a Mercy main, they would be fucking diamonds. Not even diamonds, they would be fucking plats. And I, of course, like this account has crazy high MMR. I tried to fill the team on this account, I've decided. So that's why I'm playing Sen right now. So, I mean, yeah, I'm doing whatever I can to win. Like, to make the fucking strongest case for my team to win, I should lock Tracer every fucking game. But then it's like 50% of every game is throwers. It's 5 DPS, it's a Torb and a fucking Junkrat on attack, on fucking whatever. I was gonna say Numbani, but it's actually like not as stupid as some other fucking map, maybe. I don't know, it's just this game is so fucking full of garbage fucking people. And you don't punish them either. Like this guy, you fucking ban a fucking the best hit scan player in the world because he fucking threw some games and showed some fucking anime on stream. You ban him for like fucking 3 months or something. But we still have to deal with this every fucking game. It's so fucking insane. It's so fucking stupid. Peace.